Gather your materials and follow along to make these marshmallow treats. They are sure to be a hit at your holiday party. You need mini candy canes, candy melts, large marshmallows, a crushed candy cane, and parchment paper. I started by unwrapping the candy canes and made a little point at the end. Melt the candy as directed. Put a little candy on the end and insert the candy cane into the marshmallow and place them in the freezer. Dip the marshmallow into the melted candy and then dip it into the crushed candy cane. Place back on the parchment paper and put them in the freezer. Once they are hardened, serve at your holiday bash. Thanks for watching and make sure to like and subscribe.